How to zoom out in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in if needed. Once you are there, click All Tools. Then pick any tool like Edit a PDF or add comments to open your file. Upload the PDF you want to view. At the bottom center of the viewer, you will see a zoom toolbar with plus and minus button. To zoom out, click the minus button until you reach your desired view. This lets you see more of the page at once. Prefer shortcuts? Press Ctrl and minus if you are using Windows and Command and minus if you are using Mac to zoom out fast. You can also hold Ctrl or Command and scroll down with your mouse wheel. Smooth and easy zoom out. And that's how you zoom out in Adobe Acrobat like a pro. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.